Alright, so I got the DJI Mini 3. What's nice about this is that it fits really snug in the backpack. I mean, I'm gonna pull it out right now. It's in this casing, the Fly More combo. You get 3 batteries, the drone itself, extra propellers. I also got the RC version with the display on it. I didn't feel like getting the one with the smartphone attachment because then like you gotta put it on. It's like Bluetooth, you gotta connect 2 wires. What if someone calls you, texts you? I don't want, you know, that happening when I'm flying the drone. So I got 3 batteries in the drone itself. I have a 128 gigabyte SD card. Kind of just put this right in the slot. With the Fly More combo kit, it actually comes as a battery charger case and it can house 3 at the same time. I think this is super useful because each battery gets like an advertised use of like 31 minutes of flying time. And my testing actually is pretty accurate. I would recommend getting the Fly More combo kit because 1 definitely isn't enough. You're gonna need some more, especially if you're on like a video shoot for someone or something. Put that in there, and when you pull out the propellers, these 2 in the front come at like an angle, and you have a little protection right here. Just want to take that protection guard off. That reveals the 4K gimbal camera. Just want to hold this button, it'll turn on. Same to this one, hold it. There's 2 ways to actually turn this on. Either you can press that little icon right there, or you can even start the propellers by taking both the controllers and then pushing it both down like that at the same time. So the propellers are up. The left stick, move it all the way up, straight up. You can switch from picture mode, you can even switch to video mode. There's also true vertical, so if you tap this button right here, you can actually switch it out to shoot for TikTok, Instagram videos, anything. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah? Right up on the CNS, there's cinema mode, normal mode, and then sport mode. If we're on sport mode, we're gonna launch this baby right through, alright? Check this out. Look at that. And we are gone. You can get some pretty cool angles with this. The Mini 3 does not have crash detection, which is unfortunate. So if you do hit this on a wall or a tree or something, rest in peace, all that precious money. The Pro model does, which I do recommend getting. Yeah, we're on low battery. I actually was flying this last night, so I'm gonna swap it out real quick. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? We're 130 meters, about to hit 150 meters. There is a max limit on this, but you can set this to go however high you'd like. What's good about the Mini, obviously, is that this weighs under 250 grams, which is right below the regulations that you need to get it registered. You don't have to get this registered with the FAA, none of that. You just buy it, fly it, do whatever you like with it. Look at Philadelphia. That's beautiful. And then a cool feature on this is, since it does have GPS location, let's say you lost your drone, okay? One of the options is return to home, RTH.
All right, return to home.
Yeah. Go home. It's gonna fly back to its original position, so, oh, where is it?
Oh, there it is.
I was a bit scared at first. I thought I was gonna hit like a building or something. But no, that feature is really nice. Yo, you see it? Right there. What do you think? That's pretty cool, right? I don't know exactly, but it looks like it did avoid the building. Yo, it just did that. That's the first time I'd used that feature. Yeah, we were pretty high up too. I think we were like 200 meters up in the air. You just press that button, sends it right back home. You're in sport mode, right?
Yep.
Sport mode's really fun. It is super fast. I do normal mode for most of the B-roll that I take. Cinema mode if you want to get a little bit more precise with it. I really only get to sport mode if I need to get somewhere, get positioned, and tune back to normal mode to record something, take a picture. And with the RC remote, I like how the sound effects are pretty audible. I don't know, it's just one of those nice gestures. It's like when you record, it does like that ding sound. The warnings are really loud too. The speakers that are coming out of this device is nice. The DJI software on here is pretty updated. We all know that it is running an Android version with an Android skin over it to make it look really nice and presentable. All right, so that was like 25 minutes of flying and we're at 22%. So trust me when I say this, you're gonna need some more batteries because this thing does chew up pretty fast. If you're in a big city or anywhere that has like a lot of like stuff going on, GPS will kind of be iffy. All right, we're back outside. This time we're gonna do the night mode. I know you guys really wanna see that because how does a drone fare at nighttime? Oh wow. No, this city looks beautiful. Wow, that looks so beautiful. I can't get enough of it. There's a bunch of settings on here like auto, RTH altitude, RTH being returned to home. You can set the max altitude to however you like. You can set the max distance to no limit. I wouldn't recommend that. I'll probably just keep it to maybe 1,000 or 2,000 meters so I don't like forget and get carried away and fly too far, then I'll lose connection. You don't want that to happen. Yeah, there's a bunch of settings on here. Control, you can check. You can change the units to be metric or imperial. Follow the gimbal movement. This drone is going though. The antennas on this is pretty insane. We are pretty far right now. We are like 300 meters away, 400 meters away. Oh my goodness. Look at all those tennis courts. Oh, look at all those tennis courts. Those look phenomenal. Wow, campus, I've never seen this side of campus before. This looks really nice. Alright, let's, yo, you know what I'm thinking? Return to home. Let's do it, baby.
Go home.
Alright, I'm a little worried though. Alright, it's gonna go all the way up. See, my problem with this at first is like, what if it crashes? Like, does it know? There's no crash detection on here, but it's actually doing a pretty good job. Look at that. It's finding its way back. Even is it? Oh shoot, it's coming down. Yo, it's coming down. I gotta make room. Wow, I am just blown away. Yes, we are suited to land. Alright, so the GPS signal here has improved. We have access to it. So we're gonna try out the different shots on here. Let's take a look. So with the regular model, you actually do get camera movements. It can track where you are when you draw like a green box around yourself and it will follow that, but it doesn't actively track like the Pro does. All right, so the first mode is called Droney. The camera centers on the subject of the aircraft and sends backward at an incline, so I guess it's gonna go that way. Let's try that out. I'm gonna draw a box, a green box around myself. Distance 30 meters, we're gonna hit start.
3, 2, 1.
Hopefully it doesn't run into anything. All right, I think we're good. Yeah, it's pretty good. And see it's just going. All right, quick shot, complete aircraft returning to starting point. This is nice. All right, we're gonna try a rocket here. See that? You go straight up like a rocket, I guess. It's pretty neat. Once it completes it. Alright, circle. Wait, we should go up. Oh, that canceled it. Yeah, that's why with this version, I hope there was a crash detection on this, because otherwise it will just keep spinning. So it's going around you?
Yeah.
That's actually really cool. Yo, that's advanced. That's super advanced. Draw it around me, draw it around me. Draw it around me, I want to see what it looks like. Yeah, draw that around me. Yo, it's tracking. It's tracking. Yo, he got me, he got me. Yo. I think for me, the big takeaway with this drone is the camera quality and the gimbal. The fact that I can just stay so stable. And obviously with the Mini 3, it is, well, mini. So, I mean, this is the palm of my hand fitting just like that. You do want to be careful with the propellers. You know, there's no real way to kind of like open it. Like I kind of very careful when I take it apart. I try not to hit the propellers too much. You know, I don't want to mess it up. So I don't know, I'm just grabbing at weird angles sometimes. There needs to be a better way to get this going, but I guess it is compact for a reason. And you've probably seen the advertisement on this, but like you can kind of fit in like a pocket. I'd recommend getting like a rubber band or like some type of strap to put this around. I think DJI or something sells that. yeah, I mean, you can fit in my pocket. Check this out. I mean, it's a toy, bro. It's legitimately a toy. So, oh, maybe you're on a trip or somewhere. You know, I think it's time to fly a drone. I think it's time to fly a drone. Yeah. Let me pull out my DJI. There we go. Let's pack this up. Nothing happened. It's like a purse. What do you think, huh? Looks good on me. Yeah? I'm jealous. Why? Because you don't have a Mini 3 and this looks good on me. Get the Fly More combo. Like I said, it comes with extra propellers, batteries, you're gonna need that. And get the RC controller. I recommend getting the controller with the screen. That's all I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit subscribe, like, and comment. Tell me what you guys think. If you guys want the Mini 3, if you want the Mini 3 Pro, I am trying to do a review on that. Until next one, guys, I'll catch you then.